Hi, today's topic is what is a hash function? And it's a really important one. Hash functions, or one-way hash functions, are used for lots of things, but they're really important underpinnings for cryptography and security in computing. So here's a quick view of what a hash function is. A function, of course, is something that acts on one or more things and produces something else. And the key here is that we're taking a stream or a set of ones and zeros, typically a file, could be audio, could be a document, could be video, whatever it is, taking a file, a stream of ones and zeros, and putting it into something else. And typically we take something big and make it too small. And the small thing is called the hash. It's the output of the hash function, and it's small. And the really important thing here is that firstly it should be difficult to guess what the thing that the input is when you have the output. Secondly, it should be difficult to find a second file which is input gives the same output. And thirdly, you want to avoid having two inputs which give the same output. Those are the key things about hashes. So we have a function which works in one direction. It's difficult to work in the other direction. You shouldn't be able to get from from the output back to the input, and it allows you to take files and to be able to compare them very, very quickly. Most one-way hash functions are really, really quick. So you can take a large file and say, is this the same as another file I have, by doing hash functions on them. So this is what a one-way hash function, a hash function is. There's lots of them. Some are deprecated, but the typical ones that are used at the moment are part of the SHA family, the SHA-2 family. In fact, the old ones have been deprecated, but they're used for lots of different things. Hugely important in cryptography, very important to know and understand. I've written a blog about these, in fact, and I will link to that blog in the description below. I hope this has been useful. If it has, please subscribe to the channel. If you've got questions about this or any other topic to do with cybersecurity, please drop me a line, give me a comment, and I'll do what I can to help.